Hello, in this video we're gonna perform the camera test between OPPO Find X8 and the MOTOROLA Razr 60 Ultra. Alright, so we're gonna compare the camera features that we have on both of the devices. So let's begin with the simple photo mode at first. So we have different zoom levels. We have 0.5 and the 0.6 as the minimal values. Of course, we have 1, 2, also the 3 and the 6. And when we zoom manually using our fingers, the maximum value of the zoom on the Motorola is 30x, and on the OPPO it's 120. So you can see that the difference is pretty big, almost 4x more than on the Motorola. Alright, now let's select 1x zoom. Also, when it comes to the video, we can record on both of the devices at 4K, but also on the Motorola we have 8K enabled, but only in 30 FPS, and on OPPO we can also record on the 4K in 60 FPS, but unfortunately we doesn't have the 8K mode. So in that feature the Motorola is on the winning position because we don't have the 8K on the OPPO. We also have the Dolby Vision in here for better photos, and of course the HDR on the OPPO. Alright, now let's see how many modes do we have. So on the OPPO we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. More under more we have more. Once more, 1, 2, 3, 4, and in here 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15 modes we have. So we have 15 modes on our OPPO, and on the Motorola we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So we have a little bit more. We have under the more we have of course the night mode, possibility to scan the documents, as you can see, also the long exposure, also the photo booth, the time lapse of course, and the panorama. But I think I don't see the slow motion, but it might be right in here. Okay, the slow motion is right in here on the Motorola. When we are recording in this slow motion, we can record in 4K and 120 FPS. But on the OPPO Reno, we only can, the maximum value is 1080p with 240 FPS. So in that case, again, the Motorola is on the winning position when it comes to these features. So it provides the better quality when it comes to the slow motion. Now let's open something more. In the high resolution, of course, we can get the best quality on all our devices. As we open it up, we have 50 megapixels on the OPPO, and I think it's the same on the Motorola. Alright, also I took some photos earlier, and now I'm gonna show you how they look like. We will try to see some differences. So I'll need to find the photos on both of the devices, and in here, as you can see, I took some photos. So for example, let's take that one, that photos. Of course I was taking them from the same place outside and on the same hour. So as we zoom in a little bit on both of the devices, we can see that both phones provide good quality, but in my opinion it is better on the OPPO Reno. Same thing with the color palette. The colors look more alive on the OPPO in comparison to the Motorola. You can see the difference in the colors right now on the screen. That the biggest difference is in the color of green. That you can see how it looks like on both of the devices. And also, as you do perform the maximum scroll, that's simply the quality as you zoom is better on the OPPO, in my opinion. So that was that photo. Let's try to find something else. For example, that one. Oh, sorry, that's both from the OPPO, because I am on the Google Photos. I took it. Yeah, that was the photo. So again, the same photo. Taken from the same place at the same hour, and in my opinion, again, it looks better on the OPPO. As I zoom in, also, you can see that we have more details, and simply the photo is more sharp on the OPPO. Same thing, of course, with the colors. The colors appear as they are in reality, but on the Motorola, the color is a little bit different. Also, as you zoom into that fence, you can clearly see that it's more sharp and with better quality on the OPPO, when on Motorola it's simply a little bit worse than on the OPPO. In here I took the picture of the tree using the high resolution mode. It was that photo. Okay, I think actually, yeah. Okay, that's it. It was the photo taken with the ultra resolution. As you zoom in into the tree, you can see again that on both of the phones, of course, we have a pretty good quality. But when we are comparing those devices, in my opinion, the OPPO is still on the winning position because of its color palette and the quality. It's simply a little bit better. It was taken on the ultra resolution, that photo. I'm gonna zoom out a little bit so you can take a look how it presents. Alright, also I took a photo of the tree that was pretty far away. It's that photo. Alright. And in here again, the big difference in the color of green. As you zoom in, we can see in here the bigger difference than on the previous one, because it was the photo when I was using the zoom, and on the OPPO, as I'm zooming the camera, in my opinion, of course, the photos are coming with the better quality, because as you take a look on the Motorola, on the wood, we can see less details than on the OPPO. You can clearly see it right in here. Also on that photo, when I'm scrolling, and you can see that the tree is pretty far away. That's the normal size of the photo, and that photo is already zoomed. That one, yep. You can see that as I zoom the photo on the OPPO, it still has really good quality of simply really good quality, and we can see a lot of details on that photo. So when it comes to the camera test and the camera features, maybe the Motorola has more of them. And when you are opening the camera app, it has 4K. But when it comes to the photo quality, in my opinion, they are simply better on the OPPO. Alright, so that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.